Okay. Antayin lang po tayo ha. Nagsiset up pa po ng ring po. Ako po si Arvin G. Vlog si Ju. This is your Saturday Night Basketball Action. Second to the last week po tayo nating eliminations featuring the teams of course, una po, yan po ang Team Boleros playing light or let's say light green, light yellow po tayo. And of course, yan po playing dark naman po or black po. Yan po mga black men o men in black. Yan po ang Team Oryx. Yan, okay. Yes, host with you, Arvin G. Vlog si Jude. This is your aviation friend, dapat sa Flying League. Saturday night edition sa ating elimination bago po tayo magkaroon ng laglagan portion. Okay, wait lang po ha. Sir Albert. Live na po tayo, Sir Albert. Yun na po. Sige, antayin lang po tayo mga boss. Nagsiset up pa po kasi ng court. Paki-check lang po yung height po ng court po. Maraming salamat po. Antayin lang po tayo. Nagsiset up pa po kasi sila. Habang nag-aantay, this is your okay. Okay, this is your Aviation Friend League. Dapat sa Flying League, would like to thank following sponsors. Yan po ang Trading News and Team LBC Harang Padala. And of course, nandiyan po SPB ARA o Akore Association at PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, first game po sa ating Saturday Night Basketball Action. Yan po ang Boleros versus Team Oryx. And of course, afterwards is the Hub versus Mechanicos. Yan ha. Hub and Mechanicos po tayo versus Oryx po tayo ngayon. Okay, for the meantime, Boleros, Oryx muna po tayo. Ako po yung host with you, Arvin G. Vlogs. And this is their first game sa ating Saturday Basketball Action. Second to the last week na po tayo. Ng ating elimination. Next week po is the last final day po ng ating elimination. At malalaman naman na po sino po ang mag-advance mo na top 8 teams to compete now with the 10 yun. Of course, sa ating quarterfinals match o yung laglagang portion na po ng ligang ito. Okay! Simulan po natin po. The opening batch is in now for the... Okay. Okay, game number 1 versus Oryx and Boleros. Playing light green po. Yan po ang Boleros. Ang Oryx naman, yan po ang men in black natin. The men in black. Yan po ang Team Oryx. Okay, let's start now our ball game. And for the opening whistle, of course, thank you po na SPB ARA o ako, representation for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Yan. Yan. SPB ARA po yan. Maasahan. Parang kumakandidato SPB ARA party list. Maasahan. Pamagalit siya, no? Pamagalit SPB sa atin. Okay, shout out po dyan po. And we're just waiting up for opening whistle. Okay, Sir Albert Dino Maracil is watching. Si Jay Ramos also is watching already. Okay, afterwards po the Hub versus Mechanicos. Nasaan ako po kayo? Where na you? Dito na me. Okay, first quarter po. Yan po si Soliano, si Eusebio. Of course, si Captain Barbosa nandyan din. And of course, si number 12. And sa kabilang po si JP. Si Forbes, si Utred at si number... Takin po tayo, sir. Takin po. Maraming salamat po. Tsaka yung mga kwintas po natin, ikaw, pakibigay lang po sa akin. Sasangla ko po yun mamaya. Joke lang. Sige po. Thank you. Kwintas po natin. Okay, thank you po very much po. Okay, first quarter lineup now. Game start. Okay, nako po ng Team Oryx. Nako ng Oryx na. Oryx, Soliano. 2 points, Soliano. Soliano, 2 points. Soliano, 2 points. Si Sanchez pa na isa. Si Sanchez. Okay, Utrecht, number 13. Pops up. No good. Rebound again. Eusebio. Eusebio, binabang bola. Eusebio, binabang bola. J. Ramos, good luck. Both teams say step always. No good. Kaldog ang bola. Kaldog. And number 17. McGen. McGen, pops up. Ayaw niya. JP, 24. JP, turnaround. Duco, Jolens. JP, 2 points. Barbosa. Captain Barbosa. Barbosa again for 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the green shirts. And Utrecht. Okay, Jolens, 2 points. Utrecht number 13, 2 points. Jason Soliano, binababa ang bola. Soliano, bring down the ball. Number 12. Noko, tumama sa pa. Good ball, pushing down. McGen, nandun si Eusebio. Balik mo na ba, boy? Eusebio muna pa magbaba ang bola. Eusebio, Dave Perito is watching. Eusebio, no good. One more time, nandun si JP. And si Forbes, binababa ni Forbes ngayon ng bola. Forbes. Binababa ni Forbes ang bola. Forbes, number 16. Jump shot. Teka lang, traveling soul, sabi ng referee. Traveling violation call by the referee. Balik muli po tayo sa ating larong ito. Okay, Barbosa. Soliano, dish off, number 12. No good, one more time. Diving. Okay, nakuha ng green shirts. Soliano, nakuha ang bola. Soliano, kick pass. 2 points. Number 12, 2 points. Number 12, 2 points. That's Drew. Mr. Drew. Parang kamukhaan yun, ni Mark. Dale Dansam is watching. Also, thank you very much po. Okay, Utrecht. JP kagad. JP, oy! Called for the foul. Foul called. Okay. Eusebio called for the foul. Forbes inbounding. Inbounding si Forbes. And si 17, McDrew. Pops up, no good. Sanchez, no good. And JP again. JP. Creating space, palpal. One more time, kick pass kay Soliano. Soliano, siya lang mag-isa. Barbosa mula, Barbosa. Nice turn around, palpal. Last touch, the green shirts. Black ball. Green shot clocks, 15 seconds remaining. 4-all po score po natin. Eto na naman sila. Barbosa for 3. Ayaw. Eusebio for 3. Wala. Forbes. Hustle play ni Soliano. Si Daisy. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. Green shirts po tayo. Green shirts po mananaig. Green shirts. Forbes. McGen, driving strong. Dukot, 2 points, McGen, 2 points. Barbosa, binababa ang bola. Barbosa, Eusebio again. 2 points, Eusebio. Running shot, good. Binababa ngayon, Mr. McGen ang bola. McNamara Lines. Boro, shoutout po. Si Kandol. Wala pa si Kandol dito. Next week pa po. Si Daisy. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. Black ball muli po tayo. Walang laro po ngayon ng Airport United. Next week pa po maglalaro po Airport United. Barbosa. Pushing the ball. Eusebio again. Magkakap ng cutters. Eusebio, dish of pass, no good. One more time. Nandun si Forbes. Forbes, U-thread sa ilalim, dukot, ayaw. Masyado malalim. And si Mr. Number 17, number 12 again, 2 points. Drew, 2 points. And change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Ito. Nice one. Nice one, McGen, 2 points. Eitol po tayo. And number 0, pops up. No good. Rebound again by the green shirts. Green shirts on the rebound. On the run. Sanchez, no good. Rebound battle one by now, Luis. Ruiz, the lefty. Number 10, Ruiz. Stripped away by Papi. McGen na naman. McGen going, and gone. 2 points. 2 points. McGen, 2 points. Again, 10-8 lamang na muli po ang Boleros. And Ruiz. Pops up. No good. Rebound again by number 1. Float the shot, wala pa rin. Ruiz. Wala. JP, Utrecht. 2 points. Okay, laman po ng 4. The biggest lead so far by the Boleros at 4 points. 12-8 po yan. Hindi pa po nakasumuli po ang Benin Black. Pops up. No good. Dwight, no good. And now still Papi secured the ball again. Binaksot na po ang laban.
Okay na po score, ha?
12-8 po. Score po natin. 12-8. Papi. Number 17. Binababa ang bola. Scott. Nanonood po ngayon si Scott. Pasi. McGen. Sanchez. JP, power move.
JP.
Wala. Rebound by number 1. Number 1, binababa na bola. Number 1. Dictating the pace. Pops up Limcaco, 3 points. Limcaco, 3 points. 3 points po sa Limcaco. 3 points po tayo. And again, now, pops up, Pasi, binaba ang bola. Pops up, no good. Rebound, the black shirt again. Ruiz. Binaba ang bola ni Ruiz. Nandun si Limcaco, lost the ball. Good ball. And same ball. Green ball po tayo. Green ball. It's green. Ball is green. Binababa ngayon ni Pasi ang bola. Binababa ang Pasi ang bola. Ipapops up Sanchez. No good. Rebound by the black shirts. Nice one by the black shirts. Limcaco naka-rebound. Ito naman, si Dwight, number 3. Dwight. Number 1. Ruiz again. Ruiz pops up. 2 points. Okay, lamang na naman isa. Lumamang na naman ang black shirts. Lumamang po ang black shirts. Pasi. Pops up. 3 points. Number 17 for 3. Pasok. Ruiz, binababa ang bola. Ruiz. Pops up. Number 0 naman. 2-3 points naman. Binawi naman ang number 0 ang bola. JP. 1:16 remaining. JP. No good. No foul. Number 1. Number 0, number 1, recovered. Hoy! Nilabas! Nalabas. Delikado nga naman to.
Sanchez, last passing. Corning, Janda. Passing, wide on the three. Wala.
Okay, balik muli po. Sir Masbang is watching also. Sir, dito po sa Sir Masbang. Good evening po sa boss. Yung pinaka big man nila. And Ruiz pops up. 3 points again. Binawi na. 3 points. That's number 0.
15 seconds.
Number 0, 3 points. 15-19. 11 seconds remaining. Passy. Hop, si Daisy.
Foul in on jersey number 1.
Jersey number called for a foul.
7 seconds.
7 seconds remaining.
Another foul. Jersey number 1.
Again called for a foul.
Second personal foul. 35. 6 seconds. JB.
Against Gimkanko, palpal. Smothered.
19-15 is the official score.
Okay, after first quarter, okay, laman po ng 4 ang Team Oryx. 19-15. Okay, tayo lang, magsiset up lang tayo ng Wi-Fi. Okay, hotspot tayo. Hotspot, bebe. Hotspot, bebe. QBF nandito na. Okay, back to the ball game. The score is 15-19. Laman po ng 4 ang the black shirts or the men in black. Yan po ang Team Oryx. Second quarter action now. Same, si Forbes, si Passy, si Sanchez, si JP at si Utred. Sa kabilaan po, of course, nandiyan si number 12, si Melvin, si Eusebio.
OJ, last.
Pops up and one play by JP. Sorry, sir. And one play by JP. Basket is good. Number 12, number 19, si Melvin. Of course, pati si Polintan, number 1. Okay, 24 JP. Bonus free throw coming up. Pops up. No good. Rebound, you said. Rebound. Number 19. Binababa ang bola ni Pulintan ngayon. Pulintan. Number 9. Pulintan again. Pulintan. Uy! Foul called. Foul called. 9:28 remaining. Parang gusto lang siya magano. Mapasok lang siya. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Pulintan shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. O si Albert nandun din. Okay, Albert is in also. Second shot, Mr. Pulintan. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, lamang muli po ng 4 ang Team Oryx. Binato ka Utred. Double team still completed by Pulintan. Pops up number 19. No good. Rebound siguro by Utred. Again, balik muli sa bola si Tim. Okay, out of bounds. Foul called, sorry. It's foul called on Forbes. Foul called on Forbes po tayo. 9-10 remaining, 17-21. Pushing foul. Pushing foul po yan, pushing foul. Inbound po, si number 19. Melvin, kumuha ng bola. Kick Melvin, nado si Passy. Okay, Melvin, Pulintan to Melvin, pops up, no good, rebound battle won by JP. Forbes, binabahan Forbes ang bola, Forbes against Melvin. Forbes and Sanchez, JP again, JP pops up, ayaw.
Nandun ka na sa ilalim.
Wala pa rin. Melvin, binatong bola kay Melvin. Melvin, mag-isa. Melvin, kick pass. Dargas, 2 points. Selfless play by Melvin. Utred. Dumalang bola kay Utred. Pulintan. Melvin for 2. Bang! 2 points sa Dera. Melvin again! Melvin! Wala na. Lost ball, lost cause. Okay, Melvin for the inbound, team ball. Same ball po tayo, Oryx, pero doon po magagaling sa ilalim ng bola. 7:57 and... Okay, Boleros, first time out call by the Boleros. Okay, ito po ang Aviation Friendly League, dapat sa Flying League. Would like to get the following sponsors. Nandiyan po Team LBC Hanin Padra, Thread Needles. Of course, nandiyan po SBB Ara and PSB Gabas League. And first game po thread po is Boleros versus Oryx. And of course, second game po natin po is Mechanicals versus The Hub. For the meantime, Boleros, Oryx muna po tayo. Ralph Castor is watching. Back to the ball game. Whoop. Black ball daw, sabi. Play black. Black ball. Play back. Play black. Play back. Whoop. Out of bounds. Again. Who's ball rep? Okay. Same ball daw tayo. Same ball called. Again. Darkas. Pulintan, driving, kick pass kay Eusebio, no good. Rebound, passing. Nando si Melvin naman. Pulintan, nando si passing. Galing.
Passing. Defended by the
Passing. Forbes, 2 points. Hoop shot made by Forbes. 7:55 remaining. And si Pulintan muli nagbaba ang bola. Joseph Putis is watching. Ralph is watching. Nadera in and out. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Passing. Sanchez. Naku, nilabas. Tulang. Laman po ng 6 na po ngayon na ang Team Oryx. Darkas. Melvin, no good. OJ or Forbes, out of bounds, stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. Nan po tayo, Melvin Nadera po tayo. Melvin Nadera again, inbounding to Pulintan. Pulintan, binabang bola. Pulintan, bring down the ball.
Pulintan, with the letter, pass to the pass, wide open 3, wala, rebound, foul on Pasi, that's your first
Pasi called for the foul. Eusebio, no good.
Rebound, blue, shot clock wide.
Hop!
There's a ball from behind. Pulintan, that's your first personal foul.
Pasi. Foul call.
First personal foul, third team foul. Oryx, basketball.
Tayo. Mayo tuloy.
Sanchez for Fleury. Babaka sa tatlo, Kalamangan.
Okay, bamalo si Toto Kalamangan. Malayo. Okay, tip in.
13!
Utrecht! Shot!
Foul committed on jersey number 19.
Number 19, Coke for the foul. Pasensya na pa, nagkaroon lang po. Nagka-glitch lang.
Orange busted.
Okay. Utrecht. First shot. No good.
Wala yung first try.
Utrecht, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. Pasok.
Pasok.
Okay, laman po ng 20 po ang Oryx. Nadera. Nadera, binababa ang bola. Nadera to Pulintan. Pulintan again. Nadera. Nadera pops up. Naku, malakas pa rin. Eusebio. Wala. Eusebio muli. 2 points. Okay, Sanchez. JP. Driving show. Pops up. No good. Forbes. Pops up. 2 points, Forbes. Oh, handa na yung second lineup. Pulintan to Melvin again. Melvin! Wala pa rin. Okay, change lineup po tayo. Change lineup po muli po tayo, mga boss. Okay. 5:01 remaining, 25-27. Okay, ayan na si Albert, si Barbosa. Nandiyan din po si Soliano. Si number 1 at isa pa. Sino pa isa pa? At si Dwight. Bumalik si Dwight po. Sa kabila po, of course, si Pasi lang po si Pasi nag-stay po siya. Si Forbes lang po ang nagpapalit. McGen. Pasi. To McGen again. McGen. Sanchez. Ayaw. Pinapatay ni Dwight. McGen. 2 points, McGen. McGen, 2 points. McGen, 2 points. Dwight. Barbosa. Pops up. 3 points, Dwight. Three points. Pops up. Tapos. Again, black ball. Again. JP to Sanchez, malakas, barasigan ng rebound, foul called. Bato-bato talaga.
All committed on jersey number 9. We are now in penalty.
Okay. JP number 24 shooting for 2. It's out. First shot is out. Second shot, jumper straight po tayo. Second free throw, jumper straight, pops up, it's in. Okay, lamang na naman dalawa muli po. Lamang ng dalawa. 3:36 remaining. Marasigan. Diation pass. Dwight lumabas. Pops up. Foul call. Okay, foul on Utrecht.
Foul on jersey
Number
number 13.
13 and number 17 shooting for 2.
Bullet is also warning for penalty.
Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo.
3 minutes. 20.
Sabido, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's wala. It's wala. Sanchez again. to tie the ball game. 3:19 remaining. Pops up. No. Rebound by Dwight. Dwight, binaba ang bola. Barbosa. Hindi yung bola. Siya ito magdadala. And to Albert. Albert M. Barbosa. Kapos. Isa pa daw. Wala pa rin. Sanchez.
Pull up.
For 3. No good. Same ball.
Macjen, go there.
2 points. Macjen, 2 points. Tabla naman. Maverick, ano pong quarter na, sir? Sir, magta-third quarter na. Dwight, pops up. No good. Rebound battle again by JP. JP, rebound. Macjen, Pasi.
Back to Sanchez.
Sanchez, number 8.
14 shot clock.
Pops up, Sanchez again. No good. Rebound by Dwight.
With the handles,
Barbosa, 3 points. Barbosa, 3 points. Number 17, Sanchez. Pasi. JP, sorry. Foul on Barbosa. Foul from behind. Barbosa goes for a foul.
Penalty po tayo. Both teams.
Okay, Macjen, number 17, shooting for 2. No good. Okay, second shot Macjen. Makakaiba to ah. Sa gilid ah. Wala rin. Dwight. Dwight, binabantayan. Soliano. Dish of pass. Albert, Barbosa again. Wala. Si Daisy. Green ball. 1:25 remaining. Matatapos po ating first half. Yung Hub tsaka Mechanicals, where na you? Dito na me. JP, binabantayan, palpal.
Para sa ikan, shot clock natin is down to 11 seconds to shoot.
Hub and Mechanicals, where na you? Dito na me. Magta-third quarter na po. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, last na sa JP.
Last start si JP po. Out sa block po ni Marasigan.
50 seconds.
Binababa ang bola ngayon. Eto na naman sila. 17, Sabido, wala. 2 shots given para kay Sabido. Sabido shooting for 2 at 41 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Laman po ng 3 ang The Oryx or the Blackmen. Pops up, wala. Yung men in black. Second shot, Sabido, jumpers, ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 41 seconds remaining. Soliano.
30 seconds, 14 shot clock.
Pops up. No good. Dwight, binaba ang bola. Dwight. Barbosa to Dwight again. Dwight. Nando si Pasi, still completed. Binato to JP. Number 30, wala. Tapos. Barbosa, Soliano, nando si JP. Okay, tapos na po ang first half. First half is ended. Standby po tayo po sa second half. Maraming salamat po. Ano muna po tayo? Okay, Sir Maverick Valdez, mag-gayak na kayo, magte-third quarter na po. Maraming salamat po, sir.
Dito kayo dito sa kabila. Sa panahon natin yung plus 4 ha, kasi kayo pupunta to. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, dahil kasi kulang po ang team Boleros, meron pong penalty shots po. Okay, tag-isa po sila.
Third quarter, orange ball. Alright. Third quarter. Lamang ng 8 points, orange. Ikaw ko, wala.
Nako, no good.
Di ba manong dyan?
Op, change court na po tayo. 9:39 remaining, 30-38 po.
Jersey number 10, Ruiz.
30-38 po score po natin. Balik muli po tayo sa ating laro ngayon. 30-38 po score po natin. At 9:38 remaining. Inbounding Sanchez, McGen.
10 shot clock.
Pops up. Nope, it's Pasi. Nope, it's number 0. Number 1, 2 points. 2 points, number 1. Again. Number 1, 2 points again. 2 points again, number 1. Pasi, double team. Sanchez. Sanchez, binabay din number 12. Pops, number 3. Nope. Again, steady din daw. Sabi, steady lang daw. Steady daw tayo. Steady. Gimkako, power move, pero sumabit ang kanyang bantay.
Foul committed on jersey number 16.
Number 16 called for a foul. Okay, si Pasi, labas muna para kay JP. Number 12. Kick pass kay Ruiz. Number 1.
10 shot clock.
Number 1. Osana, no good. Sayang. 8:29 remaining. That good. Hop! Nice guard by Ruiz. Okay. Hop! Double team, triple Sanchez. Sanchez by Ruiz. Hounded. JP, Forbes to JP, hounded by number 12. JP, palpal. Block by Limkako, block again. Block. JP was blocked by Limkako. And again, McGen for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points, McGen. 3 points. 30-42 again. A 9-point advantage still being posted by Team Oryx. Binababa po rin po ng Team Oryx. Number 1, sidestep move to Ruiz.
10 shot clock.
Dumukot. Drew, no good.
Diluan.
Rebound again. Rebound by Lim Kako.
Pass to Rosana.
Osana, 3 points again. Osana, 3 points. Osana, 3 points.
Pato, Rosana.
Again, steal again.
Pass to Ruiz.
Ruiz, wala ang bola kay Ruiz. Pero, green ball talaga.
Timeout. Boleros.
Boleros call for a timeout. Habang tayo nagpapahinga. O, Mechanicos, nasa na kayo? Dito na kami, where na you? Okay, you're watching right now Boleros and Oryx. Afterwards po, final game po na for this week po. Yan po ang The Hub and Mechanicos. Ito po ang liga naman lumilipat. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly League as the Flying League. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. 6:50 remaining. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. That score is 33-45. Laman po ng 12 ang Oryx. Ito naman si Forbes. Onoy, foul called.
Foul committed on jersey number 1. That's the third person.
Jersey number 1, that's Mangilim. Mangilim called for the foul. Forbes again. Forbes inbounding. Nancy McGen to JP. JP again. Attacking. JP. Nandun si Osana. Nandiyan si Mangilim. No good. Analysis again by Ruiz again. Ito naman sila. On the attack naman. Ruiz. Ruiz.
Pass to Ruiz.
Ayan. Mangilim. Ruiz again.
Broken pa. 14 shot out. Rosana.
Pakla po Rosana. Malangas. Binabag na yan. Foul po. Osana. Called for a foul. Una pa lang yan. 5:44 remaining sa ating larong ito. Sanchez.
14 shot.
Number 13. Offline. McJay called for a foul. Tayo kasi.
Rosana, that's the second personal foul. Again, warning for penalty.
Okay, Oryx warning for penalty. At 5:25 remaining. Sanchez thinking 3. Ayaw. Sanchez thinking 3 nga. No good. Rebound again. Utrecht. Long 2. Wala pa rin. .509 remaining. 33-45. Limcaco. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Utrecht na rebound. Sanchez. McJen. Wala. In and out. Hoy!
Rosana, pass to jersey
Sana.
number 1.
Number 1. No good. Uy! Forbes, pal! Swiped away by Limcaco. Swipe away by Limcaco.
13 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Sanchez for 3 again. Wala. Yan naman siya. Mangilim. Number 1. Foul called.
Substitution foul on jersey number 0.
Number 0, shooting for 2. Rosana shooting for 2. First shot de Rosana. Pops up. Wala. Second throw jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. Okay. The score is 13-46 naman po ng 13. Ang team Oryx. McGen, binabate ni Drew. Swipe away by Drew. Rosana again. Rosana 2 on 3 on 2. 3 on 2. 3 on 3. Nice. Father by Pasi. Pasi, binaba. McGen. Ruiz. OJ. Malakas.
Foul committed on jersey number 89, Tim Kakko. Oryx now with penalty.
Okay, number 16, shooting for 2. Forbes, first shot. Forbes, first shot. Pasok. Forbes, second shot. Jumpers, ready po tayo. Maganda yung battery. Matuloy yung battery ko. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Mahilim.
Pangulit na, pass to Ruiz.
Ruiz. Ruiz pops up. 2 points Ruiz. Again, Ruiz naka-rebound.
Another swing by Ruiz.
Ruiz. Buong posisyon.
Then shot clock.
Ruiz again. Tapos. Nandun. Sinimika ko. Wala pa rin. Hop. Foul ball.
Jersey number 10, that's the second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty situation, Team Oryx at 2:36 remaining sa ating third quarter action. At meron palang may umano rito si Cassie Perez. Pa-shoutout po si Albert at si Barbosa narrated. Sabi ni Cassie Perez. Ulitin po natin, shoutout po daw kay Albert Parasigan and Barbosa. Narrated daw sila. From Cassie Perez. Pops up, back Jen again, no good. Viva by JP again, JP one more time. Wala! Foul na naman. Okay, JP shooting for 2. Penalty situation, Team Oryx. Okay. Okay, Limcaco, good game. Papasok mo na si Barbosa, papasok na rin. JP 24 first shot, pasok. JP number 34 second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw JP, jumpers ready po tayo. Basket, no good. Ayan si Pasi. Ayan si JP. Leipit. Whoop! Foul again. Blocking foul called to Ruiz. Okay, sabi ni Bots Barsek. Shoutout naman dyan kay Ken, kay Kuya Benji. Ay, wala rin. Si Sir Barsek, wala po si Benji yata ngayon. Naka-duty yata. Wala rito ngayon. McGen, second shot, jumpers ready. 2:16 remaining. Okay, shot completed. Okay, balik bumili sa 12 po ang kalamangan at 2:11 remaining third quarter action. And Ruiz. Pops up number 17. Wala. Drew, binabantayan. Loss completed. Nice one by Drew. At si Mr. Ruiz. Ruiz again, dictating the pace. Ruiz dictating the pace. Hop. Ruiz, 2 points. Sir Bots Barce, third quarter na po, matatapos na po, mag-fourth quarter na. JP, wala. Binababa ng Mangilim, number 1, to Barbosa. Captain Barbosa takes charge. Mangilim again. Pops up for 3. Nope. Nandun LBC Utrecht. Binato kay JP. Walang sumalo kay JP. Hindi nasalo. 56 seconds remaining sa ating game clock to Barbosa again. Barbosa binaba ang bola. Nandun si number 17. Ruiz again. Ruiz pops up. 2 points again. Ruiz 2 points. Back to back. Okay, 36 seconds remaining. 36:52 po tayo. Ayan si JP.
30 seconds. 14 shot clock.
McJen na ako ng pick. McJen. Oh, si Daisy. Again, called for a foul.
Foul Barbosa.
Ha?
That's your second personal foul.
Darating yung mga... McJen, number 17. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up.
30 seconds remaining game clock.
1, 2, 3. Anim lang kayo? Ha?
Pasok.
Oh, sige. 21 seconds remaining.
20 seconds. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 15.
Sir, boss, ang score po natin 37-52.
10.
37-54 naman po ang Oryx. Sir Bots Bar 37-54 naman po ang Oryx. Pasi, nakalusot, and wala na.
And the third quarter. Official score natin 54-37.
Okay, after 3 quarters naman po ng 17 ang Team Oryx. 37-54. Yan, 37-54 po tayo. Okay, Sir Manapat is watching. Standby po tayo sa ating 4th and final quarter. This is your Aviation Friendly Davos sa Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC Hanang Padala. Of course, Thread the Needle. Sama po natin po dyan ang SPB ARA.
Your basketball game.
SPB ARA at PSB Basketball League. You're watching right now the 4th quarter action between ano po natin yan po ang Boleros playing in gold, in green or light green or neon green against the black men ang Team Oryx or the men in black. Okay, eto na, binaba po tayo.
Shot clock.
Utrecht. Sanchez offline. Rebound kay Eusebio. Binato. Bulitan, Melvin! Wala pa rin! One more time. Melvin again. Blow the shot, 2 point. Darkas, 2 points. 9:32 remaining. McJen. Palpal! Inbounding again. McJen for 3. No good. Up! Black ball. Sabi referee, black ball. Boris Black. 9 minutes remaining. 37-56. A 9-10 point advantage by Team Oryx over the Boleros.
Ulitan na.
Okay lang. Melvin! Ako, out of bounds. Sayang. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Again, Forbes to Mr. Sanchez. McJen. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Nando, hindi na control ni Marasigan ng bola. Hindi na control ni Marasigan ng bola. 8:14 remaining. McJen again. Floater shot. No good. Balik na po sa itim ang bola. Boris Black again. Eusebio. Ayaw. Marasigan. Albert. Floater shot. No good. Rebound barra by Eusebio. 2 points and 1 play pa binigay.
Foul committed on jersey number 13.
Eusebio, 2 points plus bonus free throw. Counted po kasi Eusebio for the bonus shot. Eusebio, pops up. Wala. JP. Nandun ang bola. Forbes. Pinapatay ni Melvin. Forbes. 2 points Forbes. Okay. Nadera, double team, triple team. Nadera, struggling. Nandun. Okay, Marasigan. Okay, Nadera for 3. Yes, sir, 2 points again. Nadera, 2 points. Forbes. 2 points Forbes. Binababa ang bola. Pulintan. 2 points Pulintan. Again. 6:46 remaining. Two points Forbes. Back-to-back field goals from Mr. OJ or Forbes. Pulintan again. Pulintan. And one play. Pulintan. 6:20 remaining.
Jersey number 17.
Pulintan number 1. Pulintan, bonus free throw. Pops up. Wala. Nandun si JP. Binaba ang bola ni JP. Jonas Manapat is watching. Pops up. OJ offline. Binato ang bola kay Melvin. Melvin, 2 points. Ay! Nice shot by Melvin. Yung kanyang finger roll, bumagana ngayon. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Mr. Number 1, Pulintan. Melvin again. Wala. Binababa ang bola. U-thread. No good. Rebound. Tap to Pulintan. Pulintan, binabang bola. Pulintan. Good ball. Same ball.
Substitution.
Okay, stop po tayo. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Wala pa lang sila. Timeout call. Boleros call for the time at 5:14 remaining. 43-65 score po natin. Lamang na po ng 22 points ang Oryx. Oryx look again to pick now win number 7 sa kanilang standing, improving them to 7-2 possibly pag sila po wala pong nangyaring problema ngayon dito. At 5:14 remaining. 43-65. Back to the ball game. Okay, number 19. Inbounding.
Approaching 1-minute mark.
Darkas 2 points. Darkas 2 points. 4:55 remaining. Forbes. JP. No good. Rebound. Yung to Eusebio again. Kick pass. Nando si Pasi. Pasi for 3. No good. Rebound. Eusebio. Melvin. Nalakas. Bakjen. Tapos. Number 13, U-thread. Nandun na nga siya. Okay, limka ako to Melvin again. Melvin, pasa na lang. Melvin again. Okay, you save your 2 points. Binato ang bola to Forbes. 4:02 remaining. Forbes. Out of bounds. Black ball. Black ball. Binaba ang bola ngayon. Pulintan. Pops up. No good. JP. McGen. JB again. Foul. Foul called. Orex called for a timeout. This game is brought by the following sponsors. Teka lang. Of course, nandiyan po ang Trade Needles and SPB Pilipinas, ARA o ako representation. And of course, nandiyan din po ang team LBC ang nagpadala. Saan po natin po dyan ang
back to the ball game. Two free throws will be awarded. And JP.
no good. Traveling boss. Traveling boss. 3:10 remaining. Pasi. Forbes. Floater. Wala. Wala rin.
Same ball tayo. Shot clock is reset to 14.
Okay, 3 points. Pasi 3 points. 2:41 remaining. Good ball. Out of bounds.
Wala. For the 68.
White. 2 points, White. Rosana. Soliano. Malalim. Forbes, 2 points. 1:40 remaining. Sir Felipe, ang score po natin 61. 51-70 naman po ng 11 po ang Oryx.
Bodix, release ang timeout. Timeout! Boleros.
Boleros go for the timeout.
Meron pa for Oryx. Timeout? No timeout. Let's go.
Back to the ball game.
Okay.
Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Ito na naman. Mangilin. Pops up. No good. Nandun si Dwight. Drag.
Ay, Sabino.
Sabito, 2 points. JP.
JB.
In and out. Foul goal.
Paul kami ng mga jersey number 0, Rosana.
Rosana called for a foul. Ah? Oo.
Third
Oh, sige.
personal foul, second team foul.
Okay, JP. First shot is good. 1:20 remaining. 20 point lead advantage pa rin po tayo. JP second throw. Pasok pareho. Kick pass. Nandun si Sanchez. Sanchez, fade away shot. Malakas.
Sabino na rebound.
Sabito binabambola. Oh,
Sabino.
pops up. 2 points.
Basket.
Binatombola. JP. JP, 2 points. 2 points, JP.
21-point lead. Saliano, double team.
Manapat. Mangilin, brother. Dwight for 3.
White.
Nope. Rebound. Labas.
Ito na siya.
No good. Uy.
Tanggal yung pa. 25 seconds.
2 points. Number 13.
15 seconds.
50 seconds remaining.
10 seconds. 5.
Wala. No good. Okay. Safety basket po yan.
Alright, congratulations.
Okay.
Team Oryx.
Congratulations for Team Oryx. Finals ko po natin 50-74. Maraming salamat po. And maybe next game po natin po is Oryx and Mechanicals. Thank you very much at God bless po.